Hey guys, my name is Dr. Guy Levy. I'm an exercise rehab specialist out of Carpe Diem Chiropractic, and I'm here to talk to you about the main cause of low back pain during squats and how to fix them. So one of the main reasons for low back pain during squats is instability of the hips. That happens for a number of reasons. One of the most common ones are weak core or weak abs. And what happens is we create instability during the motion when our hips shift forward instead of being neutral. So that happens from weak abs and weak glutes. Another name for that is lower cross syndrome. So we have really tight hips and really tight lower back muscles. So I'm going to show you some exercises to strengthen your core and your glutes to create stability during the squat. All right guys, so we're going to start with some glute strengthening and core strengthening exercises. One of the main cues we're going to do is we're going to try to flatten the stomach first towards the floor, and we're going to push from our heels and bring our hips up to a neutral spine. We want to hold it for about a second or two and descend. Repeat those for about 10 to 15 reps, and you could do a few sets to tolerance. Again, flatten the stomach down, focus on the glutes, hips to the ceiling, hold it, and back down. Make sure your knees don't cave in. The next exercises that we're gonna do to strengthen our core and glutes to avoid pain during squats is the side plank raises. So first we're gonna be on our side. We're gonna posture up on our forearm, nice and stable. We're gonna have our knees and hips flexed. What you're gonna do next is posture up, create a neutral spine using your core muscles and your hip muscles to create stability. Once you're at the top, hold for about a second or two and come back down. Everything is real nice and slow, real nice and controlled tempo. You're gonna do this on both sides. You can start with about sets of 10 reps and keep going as you get stronger. There should be no pain throughout the exercise. Up next, we're gonna do an exercise to create mobility and strength of the hips so we can descend properly during a range of motion of a squat. So first what we're gonna do is posture up, one knee on the ground, the other foot on the ground, nice and staggered. What I want you to do first is no weight, descend down, let your body relax towards that opposite heel. Once you're here, come back up. Do a few of these. Next up, grab a weight. Kettlebell is a great one to use. Let your arms be nice and relaxed down, and you're gonna do the same thing. Let your hips open up. You're gonna feel a stretch inside and outside of your hips. After you do this for a couple of reps, start ripping and pumping these up. These are gonna strengthen the muscles of your hips bilaterally. So we're gonna do some on the left and some on the right. We're gonna create stability and strength in our hips to avoid pain while we squat. So just to recap, today we showed you some cool exercises to get out of pain while we squat. We worked on the core, on the glutes, and to improve range of motion of the hips while we descend and ascend during the squats. Cool exercises you could do at home. You don't need much equipment. Very easy to do. I hope this helps you. My name is Dr. Guy Levy out of Carpe Diem Chiropractic. Have a great day.